Hello and welcome. This is not really a normal intro. As you can see, there are 3 jars. Pick one and you win a prize. Not really. Actually, I'm going to be doing a quick video. I don't know how quick it is, but I'll be doing a video on like what happens when you mix an energy drink with milk. I did this in chemistry last year. Interesting results. We did it with Red Bull. And I'm actually going to be trying to do this with 3, Red Bull, Monster, and NOS. I don't drink energy drinks, so I have a friend here who does. So basically, we're splitting the price of the energy drink, and he gets the rest of it when I'm done, which is, more than half. But he can knock himself out and stay up for like 4 nights straight with it. Anyway, let's get the milk in, let's get the energy drink in, and let's go. Alright, as you can see, milk is in the canning jars. Let's line these up properly. My lighting isn't the best right now, so forgive me. It looks just like I'm shining a flashlight at all this. I'm kind of in a rush to film this, but it should be an issue yourself nonetheless. Alright, let's add the Red Bull first. Not sponsored, nor probably will I ever be, just because I don't like energy drinks, as I said. Alright, there's that, and it's immediately having effects. Let's get the other ones in and take a look at it. Alright, they're all in, and let's just kind of let it sit for, I'm thinking about half an hour, and we'll see what happens. Alright, as my battery's literally about to die, this is it. You can kind of see what happens. Again, Red Bull, Monster, NOS. Not really much difference. You can see the NOS kind of like separated like more instantly. The stuff went down here. This kind of a little bit different than this. This is like mixed a little bit more. I don't really know the uses. There's like a foam on top. It smells kind of like a creamy energy drink. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more random science experiment-ish videos, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below as well. And if you're new, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.